How to stop ads on Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. To stop ads on a Samsung A14 5G or any Android device, you can follow these steps. Check for rogue apps. Sometimes, ads are displayed by malicious or unwanted apps. Go through your list of installed apps and uninstall any that you suspect might be causing the ads. Google Play Protect. Make sure Google Play Protect is enabled. It can help identify and remove harmful apps. To enable it, go to Settings, Security, Google Play Protect. Ad settings. Samsung devices often have built-in options to control ad preferences. To access these settings, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Privacy. Select Customization Service or Ads. Turn off any personalized ad options. Limit ad tracking. You can limit ad tracking to prevent apps from collecting your data for personalized ads. Go to Settings, Privacy, Advanced, Ads, and enable Opt out of Ads Personalization. Reset Ad ID. You can reset your advertising ID, which can reduce the tracking of your behavior for ad purposes. Go to Settings, Privacy, Advanced, Reset Ad ID. Browser ad blockers. If you are seeing ads in your web browser, consider using a browser with built-in ad blocking features like Brave or install ad blocking extensions. Install ad blocking apps. You can install third-party ad blocking apps from the Google Play Store, like AdGuard or Blockla, to block ads across apps and browsers. Check notifications. Some ads appear as notifications. Check your notification settings, Notifications, and disable notifications from apps that are displaying ads. Review app permissions. Be cautious about the permissions you grant to apps. Some apps may display ads based on the data they collect through permissions. Review and limit permissions for apps that seem suspicious. Factory reset, last resort. If the issue persists and you can't identify the culprit, you may consider doing a factory reset on your device. Make sure to back up your data before doing this. Remember that ads are often a source of revenue for app developers. While you can take steps to reduce them, be mindful of the impact this might have on free apps and the developers who rely on ad revenue to support their work.